So we won't prop it up today. It's the Harvard 404, which I've prepared for a customer. It's a surplus set we've got. I've put a new mic to it, and the customer asked for it to have all the electrolytic capacitors replaced. So if you saw the video doing that, that was the previous video. It's a bit of a lift on tonight. We'll see how we get on, and hopefully Mr. Chippie will be somewhere in the car. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent.
Right, we just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, passing Ancaster service station. I can hear your mobile phone making logging on noises through the audio of the mic over.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Listed level crossing now, we're following very well then.
What about Scratchy Corner?
Yeah, Scratchy's on that one, not listed level crossing, that's later.
You're going round Scratchy Corner. I'm on a Harvard H404 base station, and he's doing a full 4-watt output. I think he's losing the plot. What do you all think? Mr. Chippie's losing the plot. Oh, the air conditioning's come on if you haven't noticed.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you really going over level crossing at Wilsford. Tango 21, are you anywhere near the Kelby turn yet?
Didn't hear me the Kelby turn, I don't think.
Oh no, Roger, I had to drop the squelch. Just go again so I know I've got the squelch in the right position.
Yeah, we're coming towards the Greyleys turn now.
Roger, got you the Greyleys turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you the Greyleys turn. Yeah, there's a bit of a lift on tonight, and it means that I'm ending up with the squelch higher than I'd like it over. Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing, and that test works fine. Thank you very much.
Yes, Roger that.
10-10. Right, we'll see how that goes through to our Harrier CBHQ base station on that standard replacement microphone. Yeah, I'm not going to test the one that came with it. We'll send it out with this one. Tango 21 testing the Harvard H404 base station, destined to be sold to a customer. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a new standard replacement microphone. Thanks for watching.